In this video I show you the Sjoss chargers, the 45 watts charger, and this is the European style. I have the UK plug style and I was curious how it looks like with this plug. I'm not really sure which one is better. I prefer the UK plug more because it is more safe in a way, but this one is more compact, is more convenient. So the Sjoss 45 watts USB-C charger has two USB-C ports, so you can charge two devices at the same time, but not two devices at the same time with 45 watts. Yeah, this one is more compact with this kind of plug. It feels nicer, and I don't know, it feels like it's not so bulky, but probably the charger, the USB-C part is the same. It also has those kind of stickers on it, so you can differentiate between the same model. If you have a friend who has the same model of charger, then you can know which charger is yours. These are the charging modes: power delivery, quick charge. It really has programmable power supply. It has so many charging modes. Your device needs to support at least one of those charging modes for it to work in the high-speed charging mode. It has a lot of information here, but it's also 0.075 watts power consumption in standby, so that's pretty good. I believe it's a good efficiency charger. And Ikea makes this 45 watts Sjoss. There is a 30 watts Sjoss with one port, a 20 watts Sjoss with one port, and also a 65 watts charger with also one port. This is the only charger with two ports, and it's actually the most expensive one. It's 90 lei, and the exchange rate here was 5.1 lei to €1. I hope this helps you see how this looks like for this type of plug. Thanks for watching.